Hello everybody, I'm going to demonstrate my oscilloscope project. This also incorporates the signal generator and the spectral analysis as well. On my oscilloscope, I have two signals coming in, one from the signal generator and another arbitrary signal. I can control the signals coming in by these two buttons right here. It's controlled by relays. Also, if you click this button right here, you can get a spectral analysis, and there's a cursor built in so you can kind of fine-tune your data. So the red is about 20 hertz and the white is about 10 hertz. Going back, this also has the ability to trigger with this button. Another function that I included as well is some math. This was very difficult for me to create just because of my lack of knowledge with the event structures. But I created a state machine to make this as realistic as possible. So once you click math, it freezes our waveforms, and we can click one of these buttons. You have add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And you can see our signals performing a mathematical operation. Another aspect is the controls. Here we've got volts by division adjustability, and then seconds by division adjustability. We also have that adjustability through the spectral analysis with these two knobs right here. Just adjust the X and Y axis so you can see your data better. And that's about it. Thank you very much. Bye.